Good morning. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader, Forex trader, here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. Hey, got lots going on in the morning, and I'm glad you made it this Wednesday morning. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so we're thankful for what God's given to us, and thankful for this market. We got a great move, and we kind of prepped you for it yesterday, and it's we made our move last night pretty beautifully, right on the golden zone. So let's take a peek at it. We're at the 5 minute time frame here on BTC. We did finish our move to the downside. We're expecting a pretty large bounce here. We got a nice impulse wave off the bottom with a three-way pullback. That's as good as you could ever expect to have. You just couldn't ask for any better gift than that. Then what we got was a retrace in that wave, and it came right to the 618 to the tick, guys. I mean to that tick, and just bounced right off of it. The other beautiful aspect of that is that this was a WXY correction, meandered and took its time, but the fib extension was the 1618, which correlated directly with the 618 retrace. So it was just beautiful. Got a what do you call it? What is that called? A reversal off of that, and this is a one wave. Now I want to show you something. It looks like we've got. I'm going to go down to the 2 minute time frame here just to kind of show you here. It looks like we've got 5 finished waves here, guys, and so that means the first wave of this next wave is about complete. We're getting a retrace, and we're going to look for entry if you're not in. We're going to look for entry, or at least. I am. This is the best way to enter is you wait for 5 waves to complete, and then you look for entry for your trade. We put the fibs down here on the first wave here. Zoom in just a little so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. So we measure the first wave, pull down to the second wave, and what we've got here is we've got a wave that came all the way up to the 4618. It's beautiful. You got the third wave came up to the 2618, had a pullback for a fourth, and then we had a fifth wave extension there. So we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complete waves. Let me highlight them for you so you can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Would it help you if I put the wave on it? Let's give it a go. So there's 5 waves, guys. You couldn't get any more beautiful than that. Hopefully that is the fifth wave. The only other option that could be is that this is the end of the third wave and we're getting a fourth wave. And so it's the only other option. The problem with that is that it's a super shallow retrace. If that's all we get, we only get the 236 retrace if this is the fourth wave. I think we're coming down, and let me show you where I think we're coming down to. Looks like we began with a leading diagonal right here. You've got an A, a B, and a C. You got 3 waves to start. Then we've got a little flat right in here for a second wave. It's the best I can tell right now. Could turn out to be something different. Could turn out to be a larger B wave. I'm not certain about that. But looks like we've got the makings of an A, a B, and a C. Now, where would that come down to? Let's throw the extensions on it and see what we got. If this is the finished AB, we're looking for 7146. It's right here in this zone, in the structure area. This is the fourth wave. Often the ABC will come down to the fourth wave of the previous wave, which is a normal thing. You've also got the 127 extension, which is 7108. I like that fib better, the 7108 target better, because the retrace, if I just put an entire retrace on that wave here, that retrace comes to, let me make sure I get it right on the tick here. Boom. You can see how the 50% correlates directly with the 127. I'm expecting this wave to come on down to 7108 and reverse off of there. So I'm looking for 3 waves down to about the 7108 target between 7150 and 7108. Looking for reversal off of that, and then we would head on up. Now, again, there's a possibility that this is a fourth wave, and so if this comes on down to the 382 extension, that would give us a bounce off of this structure here. This would be an ABC down here, bounce off the 382 extension, but I don't think so. I don't think that's going to be it. In fact, that wouldn't actually be right. We would have to have the 382 at 7184. I don't like it. That's in no man's land. I think we're finished 5 waves, and I think we're coming down for 3. So my inclination is that we're getting ABC. Now we could have a truncated something here, and we could go on if it's extremely bullish. I'm not sure that it's extremely bullish right now, but we'll wait and see. The only I guess, thing I have that I'm a little nervous about is that we did not break the high over here. We didn't impulse past this. We didn't have a passing move. I would have liked to seen this high broken. That would have given me a lot more confidence in this move, but I still have pretty good confidence in the move. I'm looking for this to be a one wave followed by a two wave. And then we're gonna go up from there. And I say, Jim, where would we go if that's the case? Well, you guys are asking great questions. Let's see if we can figure that out here. All right, zooming out here. Let's see. My mouse is having a little hard time this morning. Let's try this. There we go. Boom, boom, right there. If this is only a corrective wave ABC, you'd look for 76.77 to 79.12. You'd be looking for those targets right in there. So we'd be looking for, if it's just like an ABC wave, we'd be looking for this area right here, 76.78 to 79.12. That's what we'd be looking for. If we're looking for more impulsive wave, we're definitely looking for $8,200 and higher. So our first target would be $8,200. That's the third. That would be a third wave. We could have one, two, three. Looking at the size of this wave, though, I would expect it to come on even up here to the $9,000 mark on the next wave. On a nice, big run pot potentially. I can't promise you that, but just looking at the symmetry of that wave, it wouldn't be an ABC. It would be a 1, 2, 3, like so. 1, 2, big 3, 4, 5, and that kind of gets me more symmetrical in the wave shape there. So I would like that better. That looks a little bit better there. So yep, guys, we're looking at a decent entry here. Good risk to reward. Very good risk to reward, especially if we get up here to the $9,000 region. That's fantastic. That's an $1,800 move, especially if we pull back to the $7,100 region. That's actually a $1,900 move. Shoot, if we even come to the $8,200 move, $8,200. That's all we get. You're still looking at $1,000 move in Bitcoin. That's a very good risk to reward. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. There's your trade setup. That's all I'm going to leave you with today. Just a quick video. I want to get this out to you so you can be prepared. Guys, leave some likes, subscribe. Don't forget to leave comments in the comment section. That would be fantastic. If there's anything worth sharing later on, I'd be glad to maybe live stream if I can. I've got my dad in town, so things are a little different these days right now during the holiday season, so understand that. But we're still going to do the best we can to get you the information out. All right, thanks a bunch. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.